Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter of 10th standard maths part first. In that chapter number 5, probability. What is probability? See, probably means words probably, likely or possibly, no? So terms of probability are terms of probability. Terms of probability, one is random experiment. Random experiment. Random experiment is an experiment in which all possible results are known, but none of them can be predicted with certainty. Okay, and the result of the random experiment is called outcome. Outcome. Okay, and there is equal possibility for each result is known as random experiment. For example, we can take example tossing of coin. Well, first one is tossing of coin means coin has two faces, no? The possible outcome are two, no? There are two possible outcomes. And for second one is this tossing of coin, or if you throw a die, you know, na, die, if you throw, we get the possible outcome are 6, no? We know, you know, die. Do you know die? See, in this way, see, this is, here it is one number, this is 2, this is 3, then 4, 5, 6. There are 6 outcomes for the die when we thrown. See, let's see tossing of coin. First, tossing of coin. See, there are two faces of a coin. One is head or tail, means possible outcome are 2, no? Then for dice, possible outcomes are 6, that is 1. This is head or tail. 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6, no? There are 6 possible outcome, and there is equal possibility for each result. Okay, that is called random experiment. Random experiment. Another example we can give, picking a card from a set of cards. How many? There are 52 cards, no? Picking a card from a set of cards means the possible outcome are 52. Okay. And in practice set 5.1, we have such type of questions only. We have very easy one. Okay, now practice set 6.1 we are going to solve. Practice set 5.1. Okay. First question is, how many possibilities are there in each of the following? First question, Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. See, Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran and Anandavan. Means Vanita knows all these 8 places. No, she knows all these 8 places and she's planning to visit one of them during a summer vacation. Means there are 8 places, no, which can she can choose randomly. Then she can go Lonar Sarovar, otherwise she can go Amboli, or otherwise Ajanta or Anandavan. Any place she can choose, no? There are 8 possibilities are there in which one place can be chosen, no? Therefore, answer is, how many possibilities are there? There are, so first we'll write, there are 8 places. There are 8. There are 8 places which can be chosen randomly. Okay, there are 8 places. Okay, there are 8 places which can be chosen randomly. Therefore, first, then how many possibilities? There are 8 possibilities. There are 8 possibilities. TIS. There are 8 possibilities are there in which any one place at a time, no, any one place can be chosen. Okay, see, there are 8 places which can be chosen randomly. Vanita can choose 8 places. There are 8 places that Vanita can choose randomly. Means at a time, one at a time, not all at a time. No, one at a time. She can choose Amboli, she can choose Ajanta, or she can choose Mahabaleshwar or Mother. Any one at a time she can choose. Okay, so there are 8 possibilities are there in which one place can be chosen. Okay, now second question is second sub question is, any day of a week is to be selected randomly. So there are 7 days in a week. No, we know that Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There are 7 days. Means there are 7 possibilities are there in which a day can be chosen randomly. No, so answer is there are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. No, in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in a week. No, therefore there are 7 possibilities are there in which a day means one day, that is a day can be chosen randomly. So that will be our answer. So there are 7 possibilities. There are 7 possibilities. There are 7 possibilities are, yeah, there are 7 possibilities in which a day can be chosen randomly. You can add randomly in a week. Okay, so question number 3, select one card from the pack of 52 cards. See, total number of cards are 52. Okay, there are 52 possibilities are there in which a card can be chosen randomly among 52 cards. That will be the answer. Okay, so we'll write there are 52 cards. No, let's write total number of cards. Total number of cards are 52. No, total number of cards are 52. Therefore, there are 52 possibilities. No, there are 52. There are 52 possibilities in which a card means what? One card can be chosen randomly. Card can be chosen randomly among 52 cards. Okay, among 52 cards. No, see, solution is total number of cards are 52. No, so there are 52 possibilities in which one card can be chosen randomly among 52 cards. There are 52 possibilities. Okay, now question number 4. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. See, this is fourth question. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. So solution part is here. See number of cards 10 to 20. What is the difference? 10 to 20, we generally say 10 to 20 is 10 is the difference. No, let's see. Solution is number of cards. Okay, number of cards, that is, see, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 10 to 20. See, these are cards. Okay, it is written like this. There are many cards in that. It is written 10 to 20. Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So therefore, there are 11 cards. There are 11 cards. No? Means, what is the possibilities? There are 11 possibilities are there in which a card can be chosen randomly. Any card number. If you choose, see, one number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card. Any card you can select. 17 you can select at a time. 15 you can select. 13 you can select. One card you have to select at a time, means there are 11 possibilities are there in which one card can be chosen randomly. Okay, there are 11 cards. Therefore, there are 11 possibilities. There are 11 possibilities in which a card can be chosen randomly. A card can be chosen randomly. See, it should be the 11, not there are 11 possible. There are 11 possibilities in which a card can be chosen randomly. A card, okay, one card chosen randomly. There are 11 possibilities. Okay. So this practice set 5.1 has got over. Very small practice set. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Also like and share with your friends and classmates and all those who need it. Okay. Okay then, bye.